Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about properties of acids. In that second property we are going to discuss, that is the reaction of acid with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. Before proceeding into this main topic, we have to learn carbonates and bicarbonates means. Carbonates means CO3 2 minus. This ion is said to be carbonate ion. A metal carbonate means M stands for metal, CO3 stands for carbonate. Metal with carbonate. Bicarbonate means a metal with hydrogen and carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. So the other name for metal bicarbonate is metal hydrogen carbonate. HCO3 minus is said to be bicarbonate. A metal with bicarbonate. Here metal means which stands for either first group, second group elements, 13, 14, all any metal we can take. Say for example, metal carbonates means calcium metal with carbonate. Say metal carbonate or a bicarbonate on reaction with an acid, it gives salt plus CO2 plus water. Say for example, calcium carbonate is a metal carbonate. On reaction with an acid like HCl, it's not compulsory that you have to take only HCl. We can take H2SO4 or HNO3, any acid. So a metal carbonate on reaction with acid, it is going to form salt plus CO2 plus water. A salt plus CO2 plus water. Let's see what is salt. And remember friends, salt means combination of cation and anion. Salt means, don't assume that salt means NaCl is only the salt. NaCl is said to be table salt or common salt. Salt means which contains a cation and anion. Combination of cation and anion is said to be salt. Say for example, here calcium is a metal which is cation, Cl minus is anion. These two combination is said to be salt. How this salt came? See, calcium carbonate on reaction with HCl. Calcium carbonate. Calcium is a metal always positive. Carbonate is anion 2 minus. In HCl, H is plus, Cl is minus. So this plus combines with this minus. And H plus of HCl combines with CO3 2 minus of CaCO3. So just combine the plus of one compound or the minus of other compound. Plus of one compound or the minus of other compound. So when this Ca plus 2 is combined with the Cl minus, it is going to form CaCl2. How to write this formula? This is very important in chemistry. Remember, any compound should be neutral. Ca is plus 2, means it has valency of 2. Cl is minus 1. So number of positives should be equal to number of negatives. If you take only one Cl, it is minus 1. If you take one Ca, it is plus 2. To make it neutral, we have to take two minus groups. So Ca, one Ca, but two Cls, two Cl2s, two Cls. So if not, we can use crisscross method. Ca plus 2, Cl minus. Just crisscross. Ca1, Cl2, like this. And other combination is H plus combines with CO3 2 minus. So H is plus, CO3 is 2 minus, crisscross H2CO3. It is called carbonic acid, which is observed in cold beverages like cold drinks. Other beverages we can see this carbonic acid. This itself unstable breaks into H2O plus CO2. This from CO3, O is taken by H2. It is connected to H2O and CO2 is left. So we got a salt CaCl2 plus water plus CO2 gas. In this reaction we got CO2 gas. This CO2 gas, we have to test it. How to test this CO2 gas? It is very important. To test this CO2 gas, I will pass the CO2 gas into the lime water. Lime water formula is CaOH2 is calcium hydroxide. It turns that lime water into milky white because of formation of white precipitate of calcium carbonate. So the CO2 whatever gas obtained in reaction combines with the calcium hydroxide, which is said to be lime water, from OH. Two OH groups are there. Remove one O, give to this CO2, it becomes CO3. Now this calcium ion combines with CO3, H2O is left in this. See this CO2 is here. Calcium CaOH twice is like this. This OH, two OH groups, one H combines with OH and forms H2O. One O is left, this O is taken by CO2 and this becomes CO3. This calcium also goes along that, becomes CaCO3. That is how we get. This CaCO3 is like a precipitate. Precipitate means a solid substance that is formed during a reaction at the bottom. So this is your white precipitate that is formed during reaction. If you pass more CO2 into this solution, if you pass more CO2, this white precipitate will disappear. That means it is soluble. Calcium carbonate combines with the water, already it is there. If I pass more CO2, it forms calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. This is the reaction.